Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert BONK coin to USDT on Binance. The tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. I will also leave a $100 bonus sign up link to Binance in my description. So check that out if you haven't signed up already. Now, in order to convert BONK, there's a few ways how you can do this, but today I'm going to show you one. So on trade option in the middle button, you're going to click on it. And after that, you can go ahead on convert option in the left corner at the top. From here, you want to go ahead and choose from and search for BONK and choose it. After that, enter the amount you want to go ahead and convert. As you can see, the minimum amount is $4.90, and after that you will convert it. As you may see, for me in my region, it's better to convert to USDC. And another way would be to just click right there, search for BONK USDT, sell BONK. If you want to exchange it to USDT, you're gonna click sell BONK, and you will see it on your wallet right there. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.